Hello everyone, I am Rachel Poe. And my understanding of social psychology definitely influences the way that I present a presentation. It changes the way I write my entire presentation, not just for the grade. Social psychology helps me understand others, not just me, but also my peers. It helps me to include my peers into my assignment, and they understand the topic even more because they can relate to it. In the future, when I present something, I know the best way to talk to relate to others within their behavior and the choice they want to make. I believe it's like the way people talk on the governor ads. They relate to others to who they want to vote for them. They talk about choices people want to make within their emotions. I believe this will help me understand people more and the way they relate to me and the behavior they show towards the topic. It really shows their behavior and emotion to the topic, as in like TED Talks. They really show how the topic relates to them and others, and the strong emotion they feel towards it. The understanding of social psychology will help me with public assignments. I have so much anxiety with public speaking. I have a lot of social anxiety, and so the understanding of social psychology will help me with public speaking. But I believe social psychology will help me understand and be able to present better. I know I'm not great at presenting right now, but I believe this will help me present better.